This lesson we're going to be creating and calculating compound interest. So I've got a sheet set up where I've got a principal, the rate of interest as a percentage, and the time for the year, and we're going to be outputting the compound interest in column D. So start by creating a function, and this function you can just call it compound interest, and it's going to take in several parameters. So the first one is going to be the principal, and that's going to be coming from column A, the rate, and that's a percentage rate, and then the time as well. And that's going to be over what time we want to calculate the compound interest. And let's then create that interest value. And this is going to be the compound interest that is returned back. So we've got the principal and adding it into this formula and using the math function. There's the POW method, the power method. And taking that value, we're going to take 1 plus whatever the value of rate divided by 100 is, and then return that using time as the other parameter, and then subtracting -1 from it. So it's going to create the interest calculation, and then we're going to take the interest calculation that we just got and return it back to fixed value to have two values, to have two decimal values. And then we can use the formula within Sheets by going to the cell we want to output it to and adding in the function name with the formula bar and then setting up the parameters. So the first one was the principal, then the rate, and then the time period. And then this is going to calculate out the interest. You can drag down and see the different calculations that are going to be returned back. And that's going to be the compound interest over that given term using that rate and then this as the principal.